Love you, Scorpio. This is your daily reading for you today. And let's see what's the card coming up for you. Your relationship card is this is your relationship card, and let's see what's the message. And Scorpio, connections of the heart serve to inspire you, opening you up to new ideas you would never have come to on your own. You're looking in a mirror held up by this experience and seeing yourself in an unexpected way. Who's this extraordinary being looking back at you? You're going to be so happy that you kept your heart open. Your love is unique work of art now, the very embodiment of beauty. And that's your relationship message for you, Scorpio. And I'll see you all tomorrow with another relationship message. Bye, guys. See you all tomorrow with another daily reading. And tomorrow and following up, you'll be seeing a pick a card reading. Watch out for the reading coming up after this relationship card message. Take care. Love you all.
For your love reading, guys, we have two piles. It's going to be like a pick a card reading. So I'll be picking one card from each deck. So whichever pile you want to watch, you can skip to that part and watch that reading, guys. I'll be silent for 2 seconds. You can think about the questions you need to be answered, and you can open your eyes and just choose the pile whichever comes first to your mind here. So let's start the reading now after 2 minutes of waiting, guys. So let's choose a pile. Okay, guys, now I'll be starting with the first pile. For those who chose this deck, let us see what is the card for your love reading. What is the guidance for your love situation, guys? This is the card, guys. So let's see what it is. Go the distance. With this card for your situation, guys, this oracle guidance just means that we need to have that strength and endurance for the long haul. So to bring the dreams to life, you must think in a long term way, not worried about the fluctuations we see in our present experience. Joy and disappointments mingle with opportunities in life, and we should not fear these obstacles that are coming in our day-to-day life. And life is not a sprint, and this card is a reminder that we have to have that endurance and strength to carry us all the way and remain true to ourselves. So when we remain true to what we have in our heart of hearts, we will be able to have that beautiful connection, guys. So a beautiful connection means a harmonious relationship that can stand the test of time. So for the better or worse, as you ride the ups and downs, even break yourself sometimes, you will be remade in new growth, guys, and you will be redeemed by the power of regeneration. How you come back after those stressful times you face in this relationship. And there is nothing wrong in certain situations. Maybe sometimes we may be wrong or that person may be wrong. There is nothing wrong in that, but the relationship will be marked by endurance and dedication to overall unity. So both sides, they should have that unity, understanding, and both people who are in that relationship must have that dedication and endurance, guys. And that is what this card is about, guys. That is the oracle guidance for your relationship. You have to have that strength and fortitude to see things through, and when you have that strength to proceed in this relationship through all that trials that you're facing, you will experience that joy that comes when you are able to build that true loving relationship with that person, guys. So that is what I see with this card for your relationship, guys, for those who have chosen this first deck. Let us see what is the card with the second deck. I'll be picking one card from the other deck, guys. So this is the card here. Let us see what is the card. Cosmic Heart. With this card, the guidance for your relationship is that, guys, this may be a time where you are meeting a new person in your life, or a new love is unfolding, or you may with your existing person you may deepen this connection, and more love is rushing towards you like a great cosmic tsunami. You will struggle today with this love, how it moves you, and maybe sometimes you may see some trials, but nothing that you cannot handle, guys. And you will feel that you are feeling lost in this person's love. You don't know what you do, and you are simply taken by surprise by how this person is treating you, or how they are showering their love on you. So instead of seeing what you are experiencing, what is going on, you will just be baffled, and you will be wondering in this love, and you will simply surrender yourself to this divine love of that person, of this person who is showering their love on you. And it may be destiny that you are meeting this person, and I also see that it is a destiny that is connecting you with this person. And maybe this person is the person of your dreams, your karmic destiny, or they may be someone with whom you will experience this love, that true love, guys. That is what I see with this card. That is your oracle's guidance with this card, guys. And that is the reading for today, guys, for your love reading. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.